Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna share with you how to prepare or how to cook this boring bottle gourd curry into finger licking curry or recipe. Many of us hate eating bottle gourd, right? Even though we put in sambar or if we prepare some curries, we normally don't prefer having them. And most often some don't get them from market also. So today I just want to share with you because this have really true health benefits also. So I just want to share with you the simple yet healthy recipe with you. So all you need is a bottle gourd. You need a long one, and that is in a bottle shape. This bottle gourd you need to take, and then I have cut it into the first half. I have taken the first part of the bottle gourd and have peeled it, and I have washed it, and now I have cut them into small cubes like this. That part which I have shown you, I have got 1.5 bowl of this bottle gourd. Now put it aside and take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil, and then add half a tablespoon of cumin or jeera, and then half a large onion longly slit, and then 4 to 5 long slit chilies. Now put it on a high flame and just give it a nice stir, and then add all the bottle gourd pieces which we have cut and put it aside. I have got 1.5 cups, so add the entire bottle gourd pieces into it, and then give a nice stir and close the lid for 1.5 minutes on high flame. After 1.5 minutes, your bottle gourd turns into transparent light green color. See, like this. Now this is the time you add a pinch of turmeric to this. Do not add more turmeric, otherwise that will change the color and that turmeric taste dominates the curry. So add a pinch of turmeric and then give it a nice stir. Remember, the entire time I am putting this on a high flame only. Now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. That's it. Now give it a nice stir so that the water is spread to the entire bottle gourd pieces, and close the lid and allow it to boil. After 1.5 minutes, the water from the bottle gourd also oozes out, and that is what you will get like. Now this is the time you add 1.5 tablespoon of salt or salt according to your taste, and close the lid and allow it to cool for another 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, the water gets evaporated from the bottle gourd, and this will be the consistency. Now at this time you need to add this powder into it. Now this powder I have shown you in the earlier video, that is the magical powder. I have added 4 tablespoons of this, and then give it a nice stir. Please check the video or the link I'll give in the description so that you will get to know which powder I have added. This is very simple and easy. You can prepare this and store it for 6 months at a stretch in your refrigerator. Now after giving it a nice stir, add again 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Now see, you will get this creamy texture, and that's it. Now give it a nice stir and close the lid for another 2 minutes, or else till the oil oozes out of it. Now that's it. Our bottle gourd curry is all ready to serve. This is so healthy. It helps cool your body also, and it helps hydrate your body. This is so tasty and also yummy. Normally people hate having this, but if you prepare in this manner with which I have shown you the magical powder, so please do prepare this and then serve it to your loved ones. Please go check the video regarding the magical powder and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Bye bye.